Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Now, as you shop for replacement windows, there are some specifics you need to know to determine if your window glass will perform the way you need it to. So today, we're going to outline 5 questions you need to get answered about replacement window glass. And by the end, you'll be equipped with the right questions to get the information you need about your replacement window glass. So, what are the 5 questions you want to ask about replacement window glass? Let's get right into it. And to help you out, remember that all these questions and the time code will be down in the description. Number 1, who manufactures the glass? With most windows, the glass is made from a separate manufacturer than the window frame. Like with frames and windows as a whole, there's a high quality and low quality glass out there. If you choose a replacement window that does not specify who makes the glass, do some digging in real homeowner reviews and see how the window is rated. If you ask a contractor what that window glass is made of and they either do not know the answer or deter you from believing it isn't important, this is a big red flag you're going to wave that indicates that glass is not a high performer. Number 2, what is the low E coating on the glass and how many layers are there? Low E means low emissivity. This essentially means how much UV and infrared rays will pass through the window glass. The amount of UV and infrared rays will determine how much heat can pass through the glass and into your home, ultimately making your home hotter and hotter. Now, you want your windows to have a low E coating on them. This is one of the most important factors that determine how energy efficient the window will be. Number 3, is the window gas filled, and what is the gas between the glass panes? Most multi-pane windows have a gas fill in between the panes. Argon and krypton gases are some of the most common types of gases used, and both have similar properties in how well they insulate your home. Gas-filled windows increase the insulating properties of the window. You can compare it to when you layer up when it's cold outside. The more and more layers and jackets and scarves you put on, the more you're protected from the cold. The gas between the panes of a window is an added barrier against exterior heat and cold. This means it will keep the internal temperature of your home regulated. Number 4, what is the guaranteed fill rate of the glass? Gas-filled windows have a guaranteed fill rate. This percentage measures how much gas is in the window pane. Now, why is this important, you may be wondering? Well, the higher the guaranteed fill rate of the window, the more insulating it is. If you're looking for a window with high energy efficient properties, you'll want a window with a higher guaranteed fill rate. Number 5, how is the quality of the seal around the glass? The sealant used around your window glass is the first thing you want to know. Like other materials used to finish a window, like caulk and paint, you want a high-quality sealant that will last. Silicone is a popular material used for sealants, and some glass manufacturers have a 2-step sealing process for added durability. The next thing you want to know about the seal around the glass is if a spacer bar is used. Spacer bars are usually made of aluminum or stainless steel. Steel is less conductive than aluminum, so if you're concerned about the conductivity of your window and how it will trap heat, you'll want a window with a stainless steel spacer bar. The seal around the glass protects the interior of your home, just as the seal around the window frame does. If the glass is not sealed properly, air and water can seep in around the edges. And if the seal around the glass is not high quality and your window is gas-filled, the gas will also leak much faster than it should. How to find the right window glass for your replacement windows. Now that you know 5 questions you should ask about replacement window glass, you can get the right information from your window contractor to ensure your replacement window will perform the way you need it to. If you want to know more about replacement window glass, we have another great video right up here that highlights the type of glass available in your replacement windows. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.